Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid. First, let's prepare by gathering all necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a 3/8 inch ratchet, a 17mm wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Crucially, have at least 3 quarts of genuine Honda CVT fluid and a new crush washer ready. Always prioritize safety by lifting your vehicle securely on jack stands or ramps on a level surface. With your vehicle safely elevated, the next step is to drain the old transmission fluid. Begin by removing the underbody splash shield, which usually requires a Phillips or flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, place your drain pan directly under the transmission drain plug. Use a 3/8 inch ratchet to carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old fluid to flow out into the pan. After the old fluid has drained, clean the drain plug's magnetic tip thoroughly and install a new crush washer. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 36 foot-pounds, or consult your service manual for the exact specification. Next, locate the 17mm fill plug, typically on the front of the transmission. Using a funnel, add approximately 2.1 to 3 quarts of fresh Honda CVT fluid until it begins to drip out. Once the new fluid is added, reinstall the fill plug, tightening it to 33 foot-pounds, or refer to your manual. Lower your vehicle, start the engine, and let it reach normal operating temperature. Turn off the engine and wait 60 to 90 seconds before checking the fluid level to ensure it's correct. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Reinstall the splash shield and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.